iOS interview questions. What is inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism? Give examples, preferably from your own experience. Inheritance is a concept in programming where a class can inherit properties and behaviors from another class. It allows a new child class to reuse the code and functionality of an existing parent class. For example, let's say you have a base class called animal with attributes like name and age and methods like eat and sleep. You can then create a derived class called dog that inherits from the animal class. The dog class will automatically have access to the attributes and methods defined in the animal class. Encapsulation is a principle in object-oriented programming that involves building data and methods that operate on that data into a single unit called a class. It helps in organizing code and protecting data from external interference. Here's a simple example. Let's say you have a class called car with private properties like speed and public methods like press gas and press brake. The private properties can only be accessed and modified within the class itself, while the public methods can be accessed from outside the class. By encapsulating the data and methods within the car class, you ensure that the data remains protected and can be only accessed through the defined methods. Abstraction. Abstraction in object-oriented programming hides unnecessary implementation details and only exposes relevant information to user. It simplifies complex systems by defining essential features and ignoring complexities. For example, the shape class represents different geometric shapes and defines common properties and methods such as calculate area and calculate perimeter. Those methods are abstract and have no implementation in the shape class. Subclasses like square, circle, and triangle inherit from the shape class and implement their own version of the calculate area and calculate perimeter methods. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is a concept in object-oriented programming that allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of common superclass. It enables code to work with objects of multiple types, providing flexibility and extensibility. Here is a simple example. Let's say you have a superclass called animal with a method called makeSound. You also have two subclasses called dog and cat that inherit from the animal class and override the makeSound method with their own specific sound implementations. Please press like and subscribe if you enjoyed this format and would like to see more videos in the future.